Hey guys, it's Grace, and oh my gosh, so I am filming on my new camera. It's a Canon EOS T6i. It has autofocus capabilities during video, and I'm so freaking excited. That's not what this video is about though, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're wondering what my equipment is, it has changed, and I will be selling my Canon EOS T3i whenever I get the eBay thing up. I'll link it down below so you guys can go and check it out if you're looking for one. It has the T3i body, it has the kit lens, it also has extra batteries for it as well, and of course the charger. So if you're interested in something like that, if you're starting a YouTube channel, it's definitely a lot cheaper than one of the more expensive higher end cameras. It did the job for me, but I wanted to upgrade, and here we are. Let me know how the video quality is, and if anything has changed, and if you've noticed anything changing. And yes, okay, so I'm gonna jump into the actual video. So today I'm going to be doing a video about how I store my food. I talked about this in one of my recent vlogs, and then I'm also going to be doing a video about how I cook my food in the dorm, all of my supplies for that, everything that I have from measuring cups to saucepans to normal pans, all of my storage, all of my mugs, everything like that. I'm going to show you guys that in another video. But today I'm just going to be showing you guys what food I have in my pantry right now, what I use to survive. This is not everything that I typically have in my little tiny pantry thing, because I have been eating food, so I need food to survive. So I obviously don't have everything, but I'll be telling you guys a lot of the staples that I've found that have worked for me in the dorm. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. This is just the little area that I have all of my stuff in, and it's like a little cabinet. I guess I will start at the top. So at the very top of this, I have some Clementines, and those are just in a little bowl. I like having those there so I can grab them and go. Those are also really great if you're sick and you need a little vitamin C boost or something like that. I like to just have fruit in the room. Sometimes I steal it from the dining hall, but I prefer these little cutie like halo things over oranges. They're just easier to peel. Also, tea. So much tea. There's also tea in this drawer that we can't pull out. Oh, maybe I can pull it out. Tea, lots of tea, and coffee in there. My roommate drinks coffee. Oh, I just knocked her cups off. I do not drink coffee. And then I'm going to move this jacket. There we go. Now you can see. Then we have these cabinets. So in this first drawer, I have some kettle corn. I have some chips. I also have a bunch of like Cliff bars and other bars and vegan Annies, and this is kind of just like my snack drawer over there. And then you open this up, and this has some juices that my boyfriend wanted while he was here because he was feeling sick. And then I have my almond milks, and all of the rest of my tea is back there. All of them. I have a lot of teas. I have a tea addiction. Then in this cabinet, this is the interesting one because it has a lot of stuff in it. So I have peanut butter, I have, oh, this is not mine, Alfredo sauce, that is my roommate's. Don't do Alfredo sauce. The crunchy cookie butter, the best cookie butter of all. I have 3 of those because I'm insane. And then I have some pasta sauces, excuse me. I have some soup. I have pineapple chunks that my mom gave me when they moved. lots of beans, garbanzo beans, bean sprouts, more peanut butter, some rice. I got a bunch of stuff in there. And then you move over to this drawer. And in this drawer is a lot of stuff. I have some chia seeds. I have some rice. Honestly, more rice. Rice is essential when you're a vegan. Also, chia seeds are essential because they give you so many good nutrients. Some nooch. Some more nutritional yeast. I had to buy some at home because I forgot to bring it back with me. So that was fun. Grape nuts are also great for putting in yogurt. They make them like really hearty. Coconut yogurt, of course. Cacao nibs, they're like little chocolates. I also have hemp hearts, which are also great for putting in smoothies. I have pasta, this nice green pasta, and I think that is it. This is my bottom cabinet. In here I have some organic coconut aminos. This honey is also my roommate's, not mine. Extra virgin olive oil that I need to get more of. I have a bunch of seasonings that I don't really ever use because I don't cook as often as I thought I would, honestly. It's just really time consuming when you have to walk all the way across the like hall to go to the kitchen, like all the way across the whole dorm, and then I have to like clean the stuff there. I don't have a dishwasher. I don't even have my own sink to be able to like wash the dishes and then put them away in the cabinets. Nope, I have to bring them all the way back here. It's also super hard to like plan that out. But when I have a kitchen next year, it'll definitely be a lot easier because it's all going to be confined in one space. I don't have to like move things around, and it's going to be a lot easier for me to actually meal plan. I also have coconut oil spray. I have organic apple cider vinegar, some maple syrup and agave blend, some balsamic vinegar is back there. I also have this cool stuff, which is an egg replacer, and it's equivalent in total to 34 eggs, and it's completely vegan. You just mix it with water. I think it's 1 or 2 tablespoons of this to 1 tablespoon of water, and it gets this kind of like gelatinous mixture, kind of like when you put chia seeds in water. Like that's the mixture that it makes, and then you're able to cook with it, so that's super cool. I also have some baking soda. This is great for like baking, but it's also great for all of the recipes that I make, like my toothpaste and my mouthwash and all that kind of stuff, so that's mainly what I use that for. And look and see what is in here. Kind of a mismatch of things. I have a bunch of potatoes. Those are also from before my break time. I have some more pasta. This is some, I think it's brown rice pasta. Yeah, it is. Trader Joe's. I get a lot of my supplies from Trader Joe's. I love the cookie butter from Trader Joe's. I love all of the Trader Joe's like organic spices, organic seasonings, organic whatever, you name it. Gotta be from Trader Joe's. I have a ton of oats. I have more oats in this thing because I make my face wash from oats. One of my face washes. I have some almonds. I have craisins, cacao powder, buckwheat, which I have not used yet because I refuse to make it in the kitchen. And then coconut flakes, which are very, very tasty. And that is all that I have in here. I would say the things that I use the most are like the rice, the beans. I do soups a lot of the times. I also use this cabinet a lot. I make a lot of stir fry. The next thing that you do is you walk over here, and then we have the lovely fridge. So the fridge awkwardly opens. I'm gonna go through the freezer first. So I don't have that much stuff in here actually. I think I have less stuff than I did last semester. But basically I have some ice packs in here, some frozen blueberries. Trader Joe's is also great for their frozen fruit. I have some Gardein little pork bites, fake pork bites. Also the Gardein kind of any kind of fake meat is my favorite. So if you are transitioning to a vegan diet or a vegetarian diet, I would definitely recommend checking those out. But basically I have some veggie fried rice from Trader Joe's. I have some frozen mango from Trader Joe's, frozen strawberry, some bananas that I freeze myself, and I think that is all that I have in the freezer. These breakfast burritos are not mine. There's like Texas toast in there, that's not mine. And then a piece de resistance, the lovely fridge. In here, I have some chocolate soy milk. I always have some coconut yogurts on hand because they're great to pack with lunches. I have to pack a lot of lunches because I don't have time. Behind those coconut yogurts, I have some, you can't really see them back there, but I made some pre-made meals, and it's basically just beans and some quinoa rice thing that I got from Trader Joe's and just some spinach, and then I heat it up, and yeah, it tastes really good. It's a really nice quick meal. What else do I have in here? I have some bread. Dave's bread is my favorite kind of bread. My roommate has some apples back there. I have some white rice from when my boyfriend and I got sushi, and he got orange chicken. I also have sushi down there next to the stuff. Yep, there's my sushi. In that drawer, actually, and I forgot that I had them this morning, I have a bag of lemons because I like to make lemon water in the morning. It really cleanses out your system. I also have some vegan butter in there, maybe, but the rest of that is just like cheese that my roommate eats and stuff like that. And then on this side, this little door thingy, if you can see that, it's a little zoomed in. This door has some vegan butter, some more vegan butter that's good for baking with my salsa. It also has my red raspberry preserves, mustard, and then down below I have some more pizza sauce. I have some sriracha and ketchup, and then some more almond milk. So that is basically it for all of my food. That's where I store all of my food. I normally have a little bit more variety of like some extra things to make in the freezer. I usually have some more cereal too. I just ran out of bagels this morning, but we normally have, well, I normally have some other stuff to munch on and stuff like that, but those are basically my essentials because I don't make every single meal in the room. I just like having a lot of different options and a lot of different things that I can add to like smoothies and stuff like that. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you thought it was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for more. How are you liking sit down videos again? I haven't done one of these in a really long time. If you'd like to check out my previous video, it is on this side of the screen, and my previous vlog is on that side of the screen. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.